Hello kids, welcome to Kiddo Tales. Today we learn A to Z. Let's start alphabet. E is for aeroplane. Aeroplane. A is for ant. Ant. B is for boy. Boy. B is for ball. Ball. C is for car. Car. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. E is for egg. Egg. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for fish. Fish. F is for frog. Frog. G is for girl. Girl. G is for goat. Goat. H is for house. House. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ink. Ink. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jug. Jug. J is for jar. Jar. K is for kite. Kite. K is for king. King. L is for lion. Lion. And L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for moon. Moon. N is for net. Net. N is for nightingale. Nightingale. O is for orange. Orange. O is for owl. Owl. P is for peacock. Peacock. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for question. Question. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for sunflower. Sunflower. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. V is for violin. Violin. W is for water. Water. W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for Jew. Jew. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Zebra.